What's up, guys? We're here camping and I saw this super sweet Honda Element and it's got this super sick e-camper. Check it out. Yo, it's Miguel!
Up? Hello, Steven.
What's going on? Dude, can we get a tour of your Element?
Sure.
All right, let's do it.
I'm too sexy and I know it.
All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Miguel and he is the owner of Tomate or Tomato, which is this beautiful orange e-camper Honda Element. And today he's going to give us a tour. He's also a fellow Honda Element YouTuber, so make sure you check out his channel. I'll leave all of the links down below. And he's a mechanic, so he's got a ton of mods which he's going to share with us today. So what do you use your Honda Element for?
I just use my Honda Element for traveling. So this is basically like a weekend car for me.
All right, so I think one thing that people are super interested is your e-camper. So could you tell us a little bit about that?
The e-camper, I bought the car like this. It came already with the e-camper. If you come this way, it's made by the company Ursaminor, but they create this e-camper style for 3 different vehicles: the Honda Element, Jeep Wranglers, and also Ford Transits. And what I really like of this e-camper is so convenient for me when I'm car camping or backpacking, hiking. It takes me no more than a minute to open it and close it, and it just make a huge difference for the lifestyle that I usually do.
There's not a lot of space for both of us up there, so I'm gonna show you guys his e-camper real quick. So you enter in through the back hatch, and then you basically can just stand up inside. And when you look in here, it's these really nice, like, soft cushions, and there's plenty of room up here for 2 people, maybe even 3 people. And up here, it looks like it has some accessory lights, so when you're out camping at night. And even up here, it looks like it has a book light, so that's so sick. And then it has these little zippers here, so it looks like you can open it up all the way. Wow. That's so sick. So you can get some fresh air while you're out camping. So can you tell us a little bit about the hitch you got going on here? Because this is super sweet. I've only seen a few people who have something like this.
Yeah, thank you. This one was custom built by one of my local guys. He's a welder, professional welder by trade. And I actually have this idea for a long time. I kind of sketched this idea in a piece of paper, and I took it to this guy. By the way, I'm going to leave his information, his Instagram, and he make it happen. I was really happy. Like you see, it's custom built. It's perfectly, like, don't have much gap when you close the door. Also, as you see right here, it doesn't have too much gap too. You can always like move this forward, but I try to minimize the space so when parking is easier for me. And something that I really wanted to get, it was a table. One is because I can work in this table doing my YouTube videos and cooking. I love cooking while car camping. And also I wanted to have the safety like of carrying a full spare tire and just an extra gallon of fuel just in case you never know. So this is how I got it. My custom build guy did it for me. And here is a sticker of his information, if you see it over there. And then I got this tire cover in Amazon. I did install my own and run all the wiring. And also I told him to build me something to install this 2 gallons fuel tank. And I'm also planning to do a small 1 gallon water tank in the future. I do have also a portable shower, which I installed right here. I didn't bring it today. It's just random times when I use that setup.
Do you have to do any modifications to kind of support this hitch and all the weights?
Yes, I did. Actually, just the e-camper itself adds weight to the rear suspension of the Element. And then mounting this 80 pounds hitch, I remember after installing this, my car was like from the tire to the fender maybe like 1.5 inches, and I can feel it was not riding good. So I did buy these spacers. I upgrade the springs and I install new shocks and struts. So now, as you see it, my car is lifted like an inch, and it makes a huge difference. Also, I install a camber kit so I can adjust the camber for proper like driving. And then I installed these all-terrain tires, which I really like too. So basically, I just did a suspension word spacers in the rear of the car. I don't really wanted to lift it both. I'm really happy with what it is right now.
Did you replace like any of the sway links or the bushings, anything like that?
Yes, also I highly recommend you guys that when doing any kind of lifting in the elements, please make sure first to have all your suspension parts working 100%, like links, bushings. Since I just add a 1-inch spacer and springs, then I didn't really have to like get more parts. Just the camber kit conversion, and then just making sure everything else was good. You know, like no damage on the bushings and stuff like that. And also, guys, if you want to see all the modifications that I'm talking about, I have everything posted in my YouTube channel, Element Lifestyle. I have easy like how to install shocks, struts, springs, spacers.
I know sometimes it's kind of hard to like pop this up. Like, do you have any other sleeping options, like if you can't pop that up?
Yes, so let me show you right here. This one was my old setup bed, which I was using in my other element, and then I ran to the e-camper. So this one, what I like of this is it works as a storage compartment. As you see it, I can storage all my stuff, and I don't need more than this, guys. I just have these 2 boxes. Everything that I need fits there. And this one is a bed, so I didn't bring the other part because today we're just doing like a 1-day car camping. But if I know I can open the tent in whatever trip I decide to do, then I either gonna decide to bring the other part of the bed.
So this, I've seen platforms like this before. What else can it do?
Well, also what I like of this platform is like what I do, I can convert it to a table. Like I've been using this multiple times, especially when it rains or when it's really cold. What I do is I just go inside here, then I flip this part of the bed and just support it with this part of the storage box. And then I have this always handy right here, so I can like sit here, eat. And then since I have the e-camper, like when I'm sitting here, I do have enough clearance here. As you see it, like I can always even raise my hands up, and then I just sit here, eat. I have a cooler which is really handy for my beers. And I mean, like I was saying, guys, I just got this like a month ago installed. I've been testing it. I really love the seats, and I'm planning to do another table. Like I can just sit here and then just eat from here. Like if sometimes I'm editing videos, I can also edit videos like this. So once you come inside, it feels like you are in an RV or something. It's like a so huge space.
So the brand of the Swivel Seats is Heroes Hot Rods, and you can install them, right?
Yes. So this is made by Heroes Hot Rod, and if you guys go to his webpage, he has a list of installers, and I'm on the list for the Orange County area. Some people from LA also came to my house and dropped their cars or dropped their seats, and I do install them, guys. So if anybody's interested to buy the swivel seats from Heroes, then I'm happily to help you install this.
Nice. What's this like screen you got going on up here?
Okay, so this is my CarPlay. I also installed it by my own. Almost every mod that you see in the car, well, I will say every mod that you see in this element, it was installed by me. And I really like music when I'm driving. I travel a lot, so having a nice sound system that I can connect my phone, like I can play YouTube videos or movies, whatever, then this does the magic. This is basically like an iPad kind of. You have applications. You can always connect it to your phone, or you can also download videos or like music.
So basically, you turned your element into a Tesla.
Yes, exactly. It's a Tesla, man. So I do have that. Also, like if the check engine lights pops on, I do have also this application which is called AWD check torque. And like let's say I get any call, this one is basically like a AWD2 reading. So I can see a lot. I can kind of go through many things on this. You know, me being a mechanic is very important for me having this.
So this looks like it's been upgraded. What's this going? What is
Yes, this is my, well, right now you see the sky because the rear door is open, but this is my backup camera. And I just installed it maybe like 2-3 months ago. It makes a huge difference too when driving, especially I feel like the Elements has kind of like a blind spot when you're switching lanes. Especially me, like being a short guy, it's hard for me to see. So this one has like a wide angle camera. I can see many lanes on the freeway. I don't 100% like guide by this, but it helps a lot. Also guys, I installed an extra power outlet, as you see it, because I don't really like the outlet that the Elements has over there, so I can run things easier from here. And also I upgrade this emergency light from a Honda Civic Si, and I do have a master switch which I can control all my lighting. It's right here. So with the switch I can install 8 different accessories like lights, light bars.
Yeah, you have some cool lights. Let's go check those out.
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right, can you show us your lighting, Miguel?
Sure. I do have these 2 sets of lights. Like you see, these ones are kind of pointing by the side. And also I have that light bar which I use a lot. Sometimes I like to go off-roading and just camping in the wild. And these lights makes a big difference. I'm planning to install some fog lights soon. So I'm gonna make a video of that too. And also I do have like a dirt sound detector. I'm going to turn around so you can hear it.
So what does that do?
It's just for safety, like when you are driving on places where deers can cross the freeway or the road, then this sound's supposed to like keep them away from your car. You know, I just, as you see my setup, I do like to have safety while I'm doing these long trips. Like my spare tire, like a full-size spare tire, the fuel tank, and all these lightings and devices that I think they are helpful when I travel. Important, but I have this master fuse box which I can like, you know, add a lot of accessories. Like right now I'm just using 4, but I'm planning to add more stuff in the future. And also I have an upgrade battery tray which cost me $15 to build this. And you know, I just figured out to install this big battery. That's pretty much it. And also I installed one of these hood deflectors, which I really love. I think it looks sexy too, especially with this orange car. And also I installed some in the windows, which I really like too, especially when I'm sleeping inside my Element. I can crack the window open, and you know, this one will kind of block the wind and whatever, like flies or something like that.
What's the purpose of the front one?
This one right here, well, this is just to, I feel like this one, it creates less noise, like just the air hitting on the hood. And also I can save you from like rub chips on your windshield. Like it kind of bounce here instead of damaging your hood. I'm not sure like if you guys seen hoods with a lot of rock chips, so this can protect you from that.
So when you're sleeping at night, do you have a way to like cover up everything back here?
Yeah, sure, I do have it. So as you see it, guys, I have these build up like window covers, which which Nat built for me. And this one is for the rear window, as you see it here, just to give you an idea how it looks. I color match everything, also my pillows. By the way, this is where I storage my 2 pillows, one there and one over there. And then I stitch these covers and I put some Gorilla tape, and it's been working great. Also I put an Element logo over there just to add some more like Element style goodies into my car. And what I like of this cover is that I don't have to fully remove it if I want to get some light. what I do is just like I bend it like this, and then I can leave it like that to get sunlight. So I don't have to be packing this in and out all the time.
In my Honda Element, I installed something in the back to kind of escape from the back. Do you have anything like that?
Yes, sure. And if you see it right here, I do have like a electrical switch which you can lock and unlock, and also this one, like, it can kind of help you to close the door. This one also was installed by the company who installed the e-camper. But guys, I am working in a future video and I will show you how to install those electrical handles in your Element.
Miguel, what's your favorite part of your Honda Element build?
So far, I really enjoying the swivel seats. I think because of winter time right now. But the second thing I really love the most is the hitch. I like cooking. I like spending time like in this part of the Element. So I'm looking forward for the spring and summer coming just to hang out here.
And Miguel's a great cook, definitely. We eat like champs when we're camping together. Why'd you pick the Honda Element?
At first, I picked up the Honda Element by accident. I didn't know about like the space or the reliability about this car. And since I'm a mechanic, I got this for a good deal. And after getting the Element, I just fall in love with the car, with everything I can do with it. I start making YouTube videos. And since then, I don't see myself owning another car for at least for these coming years.
So if you didn't have the Honda Element, what vehicle would you choose for a camper?
I already own a Ford Transit, and that was my first idea to build a Ford Transit Connect. But you know, after getting into the Element, I just think much more like things that accommodate to what I need. Like for example, this having an all-wheel drive. But I will say second option will be the Ford Transit Connect. I like the miles gyros on that, the space that it has.
Dude, thank you so much for showing us around your Honda Element. I'll leave links to everything so you guys can check it out down below. Make sure you check out his channel. Make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.
Peace.
And see you next Honda Element video. Bye bye.